Hey friends, so in my previous video I showed you how to draft the basic bodice block, and today we are going to be using the very same pattern to make a bodice top. So if you want to see how it went from this to this, then please keep on watching.
Okay, so I'm going to be using my previously cut fabric. It was originally cut for a shirt, but I lost some of the pieces, so we're going to be using it for this bodice top. It is very important that you cut everything ×2 since our pattern is made with the quarter body measurements. I then pinned my pattern pieces on my fabric that has been duplicated 2 times to complete the full front and the full back. I then added the seam allowance. If you want to know, the seam allowance is added so that you do not take in from the original body measurements. Okay, after cutting my pattern precisely, I then had to remove the pins and line everything accordingly. The sewing process is going to be exactly as how our pattern was cut and laid up. To make things easier, you can always name or number your patterns. Okay, our top is now joined, and then it was time to cut the lining for a beautifully neat inside finishing.
Okay guys, the top is done, and since I had a seam in the middle, I decided to put these buttons as a decoration. As you saw on my pattern cutting, the fabric was originally cut for a formal shirt, and I lost some of the pieces, so I decided to use the fabric for this. And I must say, black and silver is my favorite, and I just love these buttons. They give it a very vintage vibe and also on a classy side. So this is what the front looks like, and this is how the back looks. I kept the theme of silver. I kept the theme of silver both at the front and at the back. And since my look is already giving minimal goth, I decided to accessorize with this grunge eye ring, and to match my earrings from Mr. Price. They also have a bit of eye here. As for the shoes, I went for demonia boots. They are also from Mr. Price. And this is the look. I hope you like it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up and tell me if you like this top, and tell me if you have. Also, please tell me what other stuff you'd like to see me create. I will definitely do it. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.